One of the famous spots here in Thailand ay ang Khao Yai. Cafe hopping, flower-filled, European vibes, lahat yan ay andito sa Khao Yai. And just 3 hours drive from Bangkok, makakarating ka na dito. In this video, I will show you things you can do in Khao Yai for a day. Kaya naman, make sure to watch this video till the end.
Ayun, nakabili na ako ng aking breakfast tsaka babaunin namin sa tour. And nantay na lang naman yung aming driver. That's the car that we booked from Klook. So time check, it's 7:57 a.m. and we are now starting our travel. So from here, it's around like mga 3 hours na biyahe going to our destination. So we decided to book a private car with driver from Klook. Kasi nga mahirap siyang i-DIY and i-commute since malayo siya and marami tayong pupuntahan. Napaka-affordable lang din guys kasi imagine I paid around 5,800 pesos. Pwede sanang 3 or 4 person kasi tinanong ko yung operator if pwedeng 4, pwede daw. However, nire-recommend nila na 3 lang sana para komportable yung ride. So, kung marami kayo guys, this is a great option for you to go to Khao Yai. So, come with us as we travel to Khao Yai for a day. So, nag-stop over muna kami dito, guys. Para siyang bus terminal. Ganon. Daming kainan dito. Ang daming kainan dito, guys. Para siyang Changi Market. Hello. How much? 60. Okay, 1. So gusto talaga naman yung egg tart. Ang mura ng egg tart nila dito. Yan.
You know?
Yes?
You know Khao Yai what's mean?
No.
Khao Yai what's mean is big mountain. Big mountain.
Oh, okay. Khao Yai, big mountain.
So we finally arrived here at Khao Yai and our first destination will be Premio Piazza. This is our driver, Sir Wee. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. So, yung admission dito is 200 baht and then kasali na sa 200 baht yung pagkain sa mga cute na alpacas. Guys, grabe ang cute nila. Grabe, ang ganda ng lugar. Kasi lang ang init-init, guys. Sabi nila mas lower daw yung temperature dito sa Khao Yai compared to Bangkok, pero ang init pa din. Buti naka-sunblock kami ngayon. Diyan eh. Cute kayo di
Ini ada ini. Sana foodnya.
Ang ganda. Premium Piazza. 11:44 guys. Wala pa kaming 1 hour dito pero ang dami na namin nalibot dito sa Primo Piazza. I can say, ang ganda ng lugar. Ang init nga lang. So, ang sarap tumambay doon. Pero syempre, ano lang tayo, day tour. So, minamaximize talaga namin yung oras doon. Guys, I tell you, para kaming nasa Europe doon. Ganda. So, if for example, gusto niyo yung kumain, may cafe available doon. Meron ding food na pwedeng kainin. Hindi lang cakes. Meron sa labas. So, yung ticket pala, kasama na doon yung pagkain ng alpacas, admission, and then meron na kayong discount pag mag-order kayo sa cafe nila. Goodbye! Bye-bye! So from here, we will be going to Hokkaido Flower Park. It's around 10 minutes drive from Primo Piazza. Isang dami naming picture doon. Papakita ko na lang dito sa video na ito, yung mga pictures ni Kuya. Ang dami niyang picture, guys. Kami na yung ayaw magpa-picture kasi grabe. Ang dami nun talaga. Para kami may photographer. Gusto niya daw mag-take ng picture. Kaya ayun. Ito guys, for the vlog and Instagram, magpapainit tayo. Wow! Look at the bloom of the flowers here sa Hokkaido Flower Park. By the way, 100 yung admission dito. Yes, so tara, magpicture muna tayo.
Not a life that I choose. You loosened up my guard, sat right in my heart. Didn't think you I'd spend all my time on trying to write this song. When I make you look my way, I wanna be someone you can lean on when the week gets hard. Take the time out of my day to give you everything that you might want. If we get that far, it's kinda hard for me to say, but I would do anything for you if it means that you'll like me like I like you. If only if you knew how much you mean to me.
Wow!
I love. If only if you knew how much you mean to me. I love.
Ano oras? 1 p.m. guys. Tirik na tirik ang araw. Tapos nagpipicture kami ganito kainit dito sa Kaoyai. So again, we are still here at Hokkaido Flower Park. Grabe, magsasawa kayo sa ganda ng lugar. Ang sarap tumambay. mahangin. Pero pag gusto nyo mag-picture doon sa mga sa flower field, good luck kasi sobrang init talaga. Ayan. Pero syempre is ganda tayo guys kasi ang layo ng binyahe natin, like mga 3 hours, tapos hindi tayo magpipicture. So ayun, one sawang picture. Buti na lang si Kuya Wee, pinipicturean niya ako, binibidyohan. Pero grabe, sobrang init talaga, kaya don't forget to apply sunblock talaga for protection. And also stay hydrated.
If we get that far, it's kinda hard for me to say, but I would do anything for you. If it means that you'll like me, like I like you.
You like taking picture?
Yeah. I like.
So, alam nyo guys, we stayed there for an hour. And grabe, parang ayaw ko nang magpa-picture sa sobrang init. Pero syempre, di ba, again, ang layo ng pinunta natin. So, ayun, nagpa-picture pa din kami. Yan. So, from Hokkaido Flower Park, another 20 minutes drive going to Blossom Bloom. Isa doon yan sa sikat na cafe na pinupuntahan here in Khao-Yai. Actually guys, sa tour na ito, you can customize your tour. You can have a special request or gumawa ka ng itinerary mo kung ano yung gusto mong puntahan around this area. So on our part, pinuntahan ko yung common and sikat na pinupuntahan here in Khao-Yai. So 1 p.m. na and we are going to our third stop, which is ang Blossom Bloom. Grabe ang init, 35 degrees today guys. Grabe, ang init talaga. And we arrive here to our third location here in Blossom Bloom. 50 baht yung entrance dito. So nagbayad na din kami guys. Sobrang lapit lang niya from Hokkaido Flower Park, like 15 to 20 minutes. Gusto ko na lang maupo guys. Gusto kong maupo. Ayoko munang pumunta doon. You're coming here in Khao-Yai, magbaon talaga kayo ng sunblock, ng water, and ng food, guys. Sarap na lang talagang mahiga dito. So, maganda dito sa Blossom Bloom kasi may malawak na area kung saan pwede kang tumambay. And also, you can order sa cafe nila ng mga drinks. Yan, tambay muna tayo dito. So, kasali pala sa binayaran namin ng 50 baht itong drinks dito, guys. Guys, 2 p.m. pero grabe, ang lawak ng Blossom Bloom. Akala ko dito lang banda. So paglagpas namin dyan, meron pa pala dito. Yan, so doon mas bloom yung flower and then doon naman banda, hindi na nakikita guys, but may sunflower field pa doon. So sabi ni Kuya Wee, punta kami. Sabi ko, ayoko na. Ayoko na, gusto na lang mag-take ng video. And then pakita ko sa inyo ganito kaganda dito sa Blossom Bloom. Grabe, ang ganda guys. Yeah, too hot. Okay. We are done here at Blossom Bloom. We will be going to our next destination, isang sikat na naman na spot here in Khao Yai, which will be going to Tuscany Valley, which is 30 minutes drive from here. And yeah, mag-chill muna tayo guys kasi grabe sobrang init talaga. And alam niyo ba, kami lang dalawa ni sir yung napipicture doon. Sulit naman guys. Actually, ang ganda ng place, ang gandang tumambay. Magsasawa ka talaga sa ganda. Napaka-aesthetic. Kaso lang yung kalaban mo ay init. Wala din gaanong tao guys. Like, kukonti lang talaga yung andun sa spot. Kaya hindi ka magkakaproblema if magpipicture ka. Yung problem mo lang ay yung sobrang init talaga. So, buti na nakapag-sunscreen ako. Hindi na ako nag-umbrella guys kasi tamad akong mag-umbrella. Pero ganun pa man, yeah, sobrang worth it. So, let's go to our next stop. We arrive here at Tuscany Valley. Nakatulog ako guys, grabe.
You just wanna feel good. You just wanna look pretty. Take it easy, baby. You're always groovy to me. We can gather round. We can feel good sound. We can celebrate whatever we want, 'cause I got love when you're near me. Yeah, it's okay. Do you a little different? You were born this way, and it shines on and on and on.
So guys, grabe, ang ganda ng Toscana Piazza or Toscana Valley. So, it's basically a place na puno ng mga restaurants, as in like iba't ibang kainan ang andito. So, pwede kayong kumain dito, may cafe, may restaurant, so pwede talaga kayong kumain dito guys. At the same time, yung view here ay talagang mala, Toscana talaga, Italy. Diba? So, meron pa silang pizza. Kanina, nag-video kami and grabe, nakaka-amaze yung view dito. Sobrang lawak pala ng place na ito na meron din siyang hotel. So, if for example, gusto nyong magstay overnight dito, may available na hotel. So, lalagay ko yung pangalan ng hotel here and then yung price para if ever ma-decide nyo, guys, pwede dito. Actually, maganda talaga yung Khao Yai, guys. Especially kung mag 2 days kayo dito para hindi kayo nagmamadali. Yan, sobrang init talaga ngayon mag-explore dito. However, sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga yung view here sa Khao Yai, especially here sa may Toscana Valley. So, wala palang admission fee dito, like libre. Kaya, makakasave kayo dito. Guys, kasi libre lang talaga. Kahit hindi na kayo mag-order, pwede. Tapos sabi ng aming driver na si Kuya Wee, alam nyo na may golf course daw sa loob, tapos sobrang lawak daw ng place na ito. And alam nyo ba, amazing! Hindi ganun karami yung tao din dito, grabe. So this is our fourth stop here sa may Kauyay. Hindi ako sure kung may next pa ba. Like sa sinan kong itinerary, 5 yun guys. Pero alam mo for me kahit last stop na to kasi sobrang pagod na talaga kami. And going back to Bangkok will take around 3 hours din na biyahe. So that will be our last stop for this tour, Kauyay day trip. So 4 spots yung napuntahan natin guys. Actually, if kaya niya naman, pwede naman 5. So meron kasi talagang option na mag-bucolic cafe kami. So it's one of the itinerary talaga na ginawa ko. However, it's 4 p.m. and then biyahe going back to Bangkok will take around 3 hours. So, we decided na hindi na lang namin pupuntahan yung Bucolic Cafe. Kasi alam nyo din guys, kotang-kota na kami sa napuntahan namin today. As in, like, ang dami namin napuntahan. And alam nyo ba, as a tita traveler, nakakapagod. Honestly, nakakapagod. How much more kung nag-DIY kami. Like, hindi talaga siya kakayanin na mag-DIY kayo dito. Kasi malalayo yung mga cafe. And also, mainit talaga guys. And then, yung transportation, ayun, medyo mahirap. So, nag-private kami. And then, yung layo between cafes takes around 15 to 30 minutes. Imagine. So, yun. For me, sulit. For me, napaka-worth it ng experience namin. However, 4 lang yung kinaya ng aming energy kasi mga tito and tita na kami guys. And grabe, mahirap yung init. Grabe, sobrang napaka-humid dito at nakakasakit na sa balat kahit naka-sunblock na kami. And dahil siguro sa init, kaya ayan, napagod na kami guys. If you have time, you can stay here for 2 days para hindi kayo magmamadali. And then para mapuntahan nyo talaga yung mga spots here in Kauyay. Actually, may national park pa dito na ang ganda talagang puntahan kaso lang hindi kaya ng aming time. So 4 spots lang tayo today. Yan. So kaya ang day trip pero recommended na mag 2 days kayo dito sa Kauyay. Guys, para hindi kayo mahirapan, you can book a private transfer from Klook. Private tour from Klook. Ilalagay ko yung link sa baba. And then, ilalagay ko din dito yung picture ng tour na nabuko. And then, ilalagay ko din yung name ni Kuya Wee para ma-request na siya. Kasi for example, if mag-isa lang kayo solo or gaya namin na couple, hindi kayo mahihirapan sa pag-take ng picture guys. Kasi willing si Kuya talagang samahan kayo. Tapos ikaw na talaga yung hihindi kasi pagod ka nang mag-post ng post dyan. So na, okay ka. So we decided to have a quick stop here at 7-Eleven to buy some food and para makapag-refresh tayo guys. Handan, why walang chocolate? Ano lang gawin natin? Yan. Kukuha tayo ng ice. Yee. Ice. Here for this drink.